Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So before I get into anything, two things. Yes, my bed isn't made. It's because my sheets and everything are in the washer. I've been doing laundry all day and William is down for his naps, which is when I do my filming. So it's still going, so ignore that. Also, Kylie is in her little bassinet thingy right over here. So if you hear a bunch of like moving around and giggling and farts, that's her. And then also this, that is, I burned my arm. So if you're wondering what that is, that's what that is. Anywho, so for today's video, I just recently got my BOXYCHARM in the mail the other day. And as you can tell, I already have my eyes done. That's because I've already looked inside the box and went ahead and did things that I know that aren't coming in the box, if that makes sense. So there's no eye products this month. So if you are interested in seeing what I got in here, then just keep watching. Alright you guys, so like I said, I've already looked in here and here's the box. So first of all, in here, the first thing I found in here is this Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash. So I've heard a lot of mixed things about Kylie Cosmetics. Although I have already used this once. I used it yesterday. So I can't really like form like a big opinion on it right now. I will say that I like the foaminess on it and it is super gentle. And there isn't any ingredients like on the box. So I went on the website and looked it up. A nice thing about this is it does have glycerin in it, which is a humectant, which if you don't know what a humectant is, it draws in moisture from the environment into your skin to help with controlling oil and stuff. So that is nice. It is fragrance, and on the fragrant list it's kind of like towards the bottom, so it's lightly fragranted. I didn't smell anything when I used it. Oops. I keep having a hard time because when I try to take the cap off, I always unscrew this, like the actual bottle, and I get it all over my hand. But I will show you a little pump of it so you can see the foaminess. So yeah, like I said, it's really lightly fragranted. So yeah, it's soft. I will do like updates on it. So if you're interested in like an updates on this, then just keep a lookout on my channel. Ugh, I'm gonna wipe that off. So I can't use that, obviously. There is actually only really two things in the box this month that I'll be able to test out for you guys on camera. So that was one of the things. Oh, and that retails for, where's my thingy? $24. So here's a little pamphlet thingy. This month's theme is the Oasis. So it did come with like a little Kylie thingy majigger. And it says $5 off your next Kylie Skin purchase, which I doubt I'll ever buy anything from there. So it's BOXY5 if you want to use it. I'm not going to do it. So yeah, there's that. Next we have this KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA. So if you don't know what AHA is, it's an alpha hydroxy acid, which has things like lactic acid and salicylic acid, I can't say that word, and he uses an exfoliant. So again, I won't be able to try this out for you guys, but it says on here that it's a fast-acting resurfacing body treatment that contains chemical and physical exfoliants that work together to deliver the benefits of a chemical peel and microdermabrasion at once. This hard-working scrub helps improve skin texture and smooths away bumps, roughness, and stubborn scaly areas. So this retails for $18. I have used several First Aid Beauty things. I'm currently using their mineral sunscreen, which I love, and I've used their like Radiance facial pads. I also love those. So I've actually seen this all over YouTube lately. A lot of people have been raving about it, so I'm really curious. I'm gonna take a little bit and just rub it on my hand. Okay, so it feels like straight up like beach sand, honestly. Doesn't really have a scent, which is good because I don't like fragrance and stuff. I don't think it has fragrance in here. I don't see fragrance. Might be in there, but I'm too lazy to read all of it. But yeah, that's what that is. It feels really good. I'm excited to use this. I do sometimes get razor bumps and ingrown hair, so I've been told that this really helps with that. So we will see. Let me wipe this off my hand. Next thing is another thingy that I won't be testing out today, and that is the QMS Medicosmetics Lip Line Corrector. So that's what this is. So this says formulated exclusively for the upper lip area, like I guess up here. Lip line corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles. This high performance, lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. Okay, and it says the price on here for this is $200, which was like, had me shooky wookie, and I didn't honestly believe it. So I went online to the website and pulled it up, and it actually is $200, which is crazy for this thing. So actually, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on just because it's this thing. It is half an ounce. So I guess what you're supposed to do is just put it on the upper lip line area. I don't really have wrinkles up there, so I'm just gonna, I don't know what that's supposed to do. So I guess whatever, cool. $200, ridiculous. I never would have bought this. So that's the nice thing about BOXYCHARM is you get things, at least in my experience, you get things that you wouldn't typically go out to purchase. Like I would never spend $200 on really anything skincare or makeup related because that's ridiculous. But I mean, cool, I guess. So yeah, moving on to the next thing, which is something we are going to use, and that is this Pūrlisse Perfect Glow BB Cream with SPF 30. So this says it's complexion perfection for a gorgeous matte meets dewy finish. This multitasking beauty balm glides on like a tinted moisturizer with all the age-defying coverage, sunscreen benefits of a foundation and a BB cream. This retails for $35, and I got it in the shade light medium, which is perfect for me. And this also came with like a pamphlet in the box. It says benefits are improved skin complexion, soften and even skin tone, hydrates the skin, help reduce fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, dullness, and other signs of aging. And it says it was inspired by my grandmother's Asian beauty wisdom with modern philosophy. So that's super cool. I used this yesterday. I went ahead and used it, and I really liked it because it gave me just the right amount of coverage that I wanted without like being too much, I guess. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that for you guys. And I'm using this sponge from Juno & Co. So I'm gonna pop this on really quick. I'll probably speed through, so yeah. You can see here is one side with, I still gotta do a little bit more blending, and one side without. It definitely does have coverage to it. You can see it's like covered up my redness. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep going. So that was like just like one little squeeze. I'm gonna do one more squeeze on here. So like that's about how much I got. And go over one more time, and I will be right back. All right guys, so that is all on. As you can see, like I still have this like little red spot. I don't know what that's from, but it's still kind of peeking through. But for the most part, it really covered up my redness, and it looks really like dewy on the skin. I love finishes like this. I think it's absolutely beautiful. So we do have one more product to try out, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of my face and then come back and pop that product on, and then that will be the last thing. So I'll be right back to finish off the review. All right guys, I'm back. I did the rest of my face. I totally forgot to put concealer on, and I did like a different lip color that I typically do. I kind of wanted my lips to match these lips. So yeah, not really sure if I like it. I might change it. But anyways, let's get to the last product, which is which is my favorite thing that I got in the box this month, which is this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. And I got it in the shade Illuminati. Now I have gotten one of these in the past, and it was my favorite highlighter. And again, I used this yesterday as well, and this now is my favorite highlighter. These are absolutely beautiful, and they retail for $27. So this is the one I got, Illuminati. The one I got in the past was Summer Haze. So I'm actually gonna show you side by side like swatches of the two of them. And they come with like so much product. The only thing is like they are kind of messy. So yeah, so this is the Summer Haze one, the one that I got last time. So it's a little darker, I think, like a little, has like orangey and purpley-ish in it. So that's that. It's stunning, guys. So that's the one I got last time. I got it several months ago, and I still have it. And then I will show you the one this month, which is the Illuminati. So there's the Summer Haze one, and here is, I don't even know if you can see that, Illuminati. So this one is more like goldy. You can't tell, okay. This is horrible job swatching. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on my face so you guys can see, because it is beautiful. Do you see that? Holy cow, you guys. This is so pretty. And this is, like I said, $27, and the cost of the box is $25. So, like, I'd be fine literally if I just got this. It is so blinding. This is gonna be my summer highlight for sure. It is so pretty. I'm gonna pop a little bit up here. Holy cow, you guys. Like, all right, so that is everything that I got in this month's box. My favorite thing for sure is the highlighter. My least favorite thing is probably this face wash. Actually, no, probably this thing. I don't know, like I never would think to get a lip line corrector. Like I will use this, and I will use this too, but like, I don't know, just $200 is ridiculous. But yeah, guys, if you got this box, let me know what you got in yours, what your favorite thing is, and what your least favorite thing is. I forgot to mention I have a variation 25. That is on the bottom of this card. I know, I'm gonna get you in just a second. Shh. Thank you. But yeah, I will see you guys next time in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.